almost feels like we're free of the track.
We are.
Here's where somebody first gets wet, and it might be me.
Everybody's gonna get wet on this one.
Not too bad. I'm not so confident that for playing other parts. I'm putting up the Oh, we'll just look up. Right down the back. Great find. And in the air, that kind of. Right engineers are so cool. They come up with cool shit.
Ew, weirdo. What is that?
Oh, throw it away.
There's another one.
Somebody got up and got real mad when they found out they were. Now let's go on the penguin ride again. It will be really cold when we go in there.
Here we go. Here we go.
I should have expected this.
Oh, man, no. Okay. Right there, yep.
You're getting hit so hard.
I know. It's gonna look like I peed my pants while we're done. You know, when I was younger, when all these, it was always the other people got wet. Never me. Now it's me.
I know your song is wet.
Oh, you gotta be kidding. Thank you for taking that one.
Oh my god. Vamos a caer, hi.
Ooh, they're soaking.
Oh, yo, that
Oh no.
Just don't turn it.
Tú tienes brought towels.
Kind of glad we got the phase that goes down. See, at least we got to see it coming.
Yeah. Yeah, I would not want to go down that backwards.
Thank you so much.
Oh, I'm cooled off.
Not that it did any good, but I appreciate it. Thank you.
I don't want to go again.
My makeup's all hard and burned.